These graphic signs that depict everything from which toilet to use to what to avoid to ensure health and safety are signage. To be clear, they are a subset of visual communication that offer in everyday life, wayfinding and immediate, simple information. Signage is an area within graphic design that focuses attention to a single important piece of information, such as stop at a road junction, to corrosive on a liquid container, to press play on a device. Signage uses a specific form of image to denote a single concept. A stop sign on a road junction means stop. There's no room for other interpretations, no connotative meanings to possible other points of view or concepts. The signage denotes a single meaning agreed within the visual culture of the society it is used.